Envision is a young tech startup company that was formed in 2017 and focuses on developing artificial intelligence applications for visually impaired people. The applications help integrate them with the visual world by performing various tasks such as text-to-speech conversion and image recognition through a smartphone, thus allowing them to be more independent when performing daily tasks. Envision's opportunity canvas is meant to highlight its ability to think, see, and act as entrepreneurs. It showcases its entrepreneurial mindset and behavior by focusing into the development of their AI. They also built interpersonal relations and social capital with Yes Delft and other collaborators. They see all their activities as important opportunities to build their enterprise. By doing so, Envision found a technological opportunity towards the assistance of low vision users in order to promote independence. This dictates all their actions towards building their concept and company by following a pull strategy. Envision first created a profile for its customers by identifying their pains. This gave them valuable insight on the problems to tackle to relieve their pains. For example, to allow users to be aware of their surroundings, Envision AI offers a feature to describe the environment. For people who do not wish for the inconvenience of holding their phones, Envision offers a hands-free product called Envision Glasses. Thus, through the value proposition canvas, they find how to bring value to their customers. Computer vision has been under development since the 1960s. Envision joined the race in 2017 at the adaptation phase of the technology with the release of their iOS app. The diffusion increased over time, crossing the large-scale diffusion line shortly after foundation. When the beta version of the AI was introduced, the company had grown to be known and used in several countries. Being prepared for scaling up, Envision integrated its AI into smart glasses in collaboration with Google Glasses. This breakthrough pushes Envision up the diffusion curve, leading them towards the rapid growth in the future. Envision completed the research stage in March of 2019 when they received a seed fund to develop their startup after having released the iOS and Android version of their app. With the capital from the seed fund, they were able to expand their team and investigate wearable devices. During the following months, they improved the app, fixing some major issues which culminated in the release of the beta version of their app in October of 2019, thereby reaching the pre-organization stage. The end of the pre-organization phase was reached soon after with the completion of the research into wearable devices, which concluded with the collaboration with Google Glasses for the release of the Envision Glasses in March of 2020, propelling the company into reorientation. Envision is currently working towards reaching the sustainable return stage by scaling up the company, which includes expanding their chain of international distributors, their research and development team, and marketing activities, using the fund put together by a group of angel investors in May of 2021. The choice of demo, experiment, and develop niche strategy was selected due to the initial low performance of the AI and proved to be a very useful method to obtain feedback to improve it. For the release of the Envision Glasses, they combined the niche strategy of demo, experiment, and develop along with the hybridization or adapter. This enabled for improvements such as user feedback and to increase the credibility through the collaboration with Google Glasses. Envision's total addressable market is the global market of assistive technologies for the visually impaired. Their serviceable addressable market will depend on the product being analyzed, but both are limited to software-based solutions intended for individuals with auditory capabilities. It was in fact this market which Envision used as their beachhead market. The serviceable obtainable market was limited to visually impaired individuals willing to try their AI and who are ready to pay a subscription for their service. It is also expected to be larger for the app as it is a lot more affordable than the Envision Glasses. Due to the limited information, the persona we created through the empathy map does not tell us more than the market size definitions. This is the dynamic business model canvas used to represent changes in business models over time. Every change in the blocks of the canvas is depicted as a layer of that block. The older versions lay under the current ones with the date of the event that caused the change. Activities passed from a previous layer all the way to the latest version are pinned. The internal and external origin of the events are indicated on the timeline with their effect on the value proposition, value network, and cost and revenue sections, and the relationship among the sections. Envision's open innovation with Google Glasses to develop their Envision Glasses helped them reach the reorientation stage in a short period of time. Envision is currently working towards reaching the sustainable return stage by increasing their international distributors and scaling up the company. From our knowledge of Envision, we consider that they should obtain the CE mark for any further innovation in order to make the technology more accessible to healthcare institutions and other related establishments, thus creating collaboration opportunities and applications to other disabilities.